Everyone, welcome back to Jasmy video update. Today message me on Twitter to get to know a coin that is about to potentially pump in the future and give you a nice good 30 to 40% of profits. Okay, a lot of people have been messaging me and I'm telling you for totally free, so come on Twitter, message me and tell me, hey, I need to know the name of the coin. All right, so back to Jasmy. We got Jasmy at the moment popping down all of a sudden, and I also don't know why, right? So this is so random as heck, and we're actually down unless we don't see in the next 9 hours if we can potentially just see if Jasmy comes in the next 9 hours 33 minutes, and Jasmy all of a sudden pumps back up. What if that thing happens, and this one ends up being a very big wick to take stop losses down here. So that's one thing. It could be even end up being a stop loss hunt. You never know, because if Jasmy from here just pulls all of a sudden pulls to the upside, then wow, just wow. And I do think as soon as you pull back up, if you do pull back up like this and close above the line still, that would be incredibly something that we didn't expect, no one expects, and something like that. But this is so bad if it's going to end up coming down like this, because now by the end of the day you got the left shoulder, the head here, the right shoulder, and you're breaking below the right shoulder, which is not a good thing. Okay, when you do something like that, you are destroying the whole pattern. Gets destroyed, by the way. That's the issue that comes up with a big red candle like this that you're looking right now. That is not really good. We didn't want to see Jasmy going below this right shoulder. Okay, it shouldn't have happened like that. And that's where even on my private channel I've been talking about the Binance manipulation. Like, they give you this whole pattern, they give you, like, they serve it on a silver platter and they give it to you just to screw it up. I never understood what kind of a bullshit this we have to deal with. Like, you got this one retest and you got the second retest as well, just to end up faking out going to the downside. It really drains traders' energy. It kind of drains everybody's energy away, takes your energy away, thinking that, oh, you got a setup, and then it's like a cheese trap for the mouse, and the mouse comes in, takes the cheese, and then gets trapped into their net, whatever that is. So yeah, right now we're down, but let's see if we can actually end up coming above this line and close above the line. And that's pretty much it for this update on Jasmy, and I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.